The core defenders, nucleus IDs of the cellular army. Welcome to the system defense grid, where the leukocytes patrol the vascular frontier. To fight the relentless assault of pathogens, each cell must bear a specific, recognizable identification, the shape of its nucleus. It is the core of their strategy. First to respond in any acute bacterial crisis is Neo the neutrophil. Neo is fast, numerous, and a powerful phagocyte, the frontline trooper. His ID is the most intricate, a multi-lobed nucleus, often split into 3 to 5 distinct segments, showing his relentless adaptability. When the invaders demand a specific, long-term response, the call goes out to Lima the lymphocyte. Lima is the architect of adaptive immunity. Her ID is large and unmistakable, a smooth, large spherical nucleus that dominates her cellular space, reflecting her focused, targeted strategy. But who cleans up the biggest messes? That duty falls to Magnus the monocyte, the largest patrol officer. Once activated, Magnus swells into a massive macrophage. His powerful ID is the heavy-duty kidney-shaped nucleus, ready to scoop up and clear away debris. Deeper reconnaissance and allergic response are handled by Corvus the eosinophil. Corvus specializes in battling parasites. His distinctive ID is the perfectly aligned bilobed nucleus, often described by trainees as looking exactly like a pair of scientific sunglasses or connected headphones. Finally, the signal flare. Rice the basophil is the rarest but most impactful cell, initiating crucial inflammatory responses by releasing histamine. His ID is complex and challenging to see clearly. The large, S-shaped nucleus, often entirely obscured by massive dark blue granules. An alarm sounds. The system grid detects a massive bacterial incursion near the liver gate. "Quick assemble," cries Neo. "We need immediate defense deployment. Prepare to verify nucleus IDs." Neo the neutrophil arrives first, rapidly identifying the bacterial targets. His adaptive 4-lobed nucleus allows him to segment his attention across multiple targets at once. He successfully engulfs and neutralizes the primary wave of invaders. Suddenly, the threat shifts. A massive parasitic worm is detected. Corvus the eosinophil is summoned. He quickly flashes his twin, bilobed ID, and releases potent cytotoxic enzymes, aiming directly at the enormous, segmented green worm. The crisis subsides. Magnus begins the swift, thorough cleanup, while Lima catalogs the threat for long-term memory formation. From the front lines to the command center, the white blood cells prove that having a unique and recognizable core, their specialized nucleus shape, is essential to winning the war within.